You will love coming home. Modern and functionable floor plan offers 4-bed, office/den, 3.5 baths, 3-car garage loaded with custom features and upgrades. Chef's kitchen, Blue Star professional gas cooktop, new upper kitchen cabinet modification including a wine wall. Huge island seats 5. High-end refrigerator and double wall oven, convection microwave. Large formal dining with floating shelves. Custom privacy French doors open to the office/den. Plantation shutters on windows. Closets by design, built-in closets in master ensuite guest bedroom. Walk-in pantry and large laundry room also have built-in shelving. Outdoor living. Custom designed pool spa offers large pool deck, waterfall displays and double seating with granite table. All screened in with picture window pool cage. Garage is equipped with heavy-duty overhead storage racks and has EliteCrete Resin Flake Flooring. Electric hurricane shutter closes off the patio for safety. Home has a 100-gallon propane tank.